Of you might not like this kind of videos where you see people carry stack of cash and a lot of other people are still in the same country that are very, very hungry. But well, everybody has their different destiny, and some people would have made it while some will still not make it. It's just the way life is. Well, this is CMC Chidi birthday badge that happens in Lagos. Mind you, Chidi is actually not based in Nigeria. He is based abroad. He came down to Lagos just to celebrate his birthday. And now, as a car dealer in the US, it was such a massive one. A really, 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 really massive one. A lot of people turn up, the likes of Jowizaza, the likes of Obi Cubana Vintage Interior. A lot of beautiful Igbo billionaires actually pull up for his birthday badge. And as usual here on the channel, I am always giving you this kind of content to motivate us and encourage us to keep our heads high. Enjoy the highlights. Don't forget to subscribe.
Somebody give me sing. Somebody give me am. Somebody give me sing. CMC. All right, CMC, have the mic. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You a stupid boy.
Boy. Birthday boy, welcome to Nigeria. CMC had to go down. We shut down Lagos tonight. CMC.
Sounds like great. The boss.
Look at my man. On everywhere.
I know,
Abia ga-egwu emelu Obi Cubana odogwu ndị banyu na-egwu emelu ọ bụ onye ka anyị na-ekwu ọzọ mmọgọ
As man once said, the level of your success determines the level of your thinking. That's the way you think is how successful you're going to be. Now, if you think poorly, you're definitely going to end up a pauper. But if you think rich and you believe in yourself, definitely you're going to do great things. Now, this is Chidi Mike's birthday, and you could see this is someone who is based abroad but has friends in Nigeria. And like I said for my earlier voiceover, this is to motivate everybody here. It's not for a show-off purpose or anything. You know, if people can still celebrate in this hard economy, then yes, there's a hope that what you're going through at the moment is actually not going to last forever. There will still be a turnaround for your own good, if only you believe and work with the right people. Anyway, this is my only little way of encouraging you to go out this week, have fun, be creative enough with whatever you do for a living. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.